I made it to the gym. I got my waist trainer on. Let's get this sweat in. All right, it's warming up. I'm 10 minutes in to my first workout. Here we go. It's time I had to come out of that sweat, that jacket. Whew. Yes. Okay. Whew. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Physical activity. This is the physical activity I need. All right. Well, we 10 minutes in on here. And we 10 minutes in, baby. Yeah. Well, 11 minutes. Water break before I go to my next workout. Okay, now we're cooking. This is like one of my favorite machines. This one. I don't know what this machine called, but yeah, let's get active. Oh yeah. Ooh, active, baby. Same machine. 30 minutes later, I am finished with my complete workout. I think I want a massage. It's time for my massage. I am number 2. I need this, okay? I take advantage of all of the amenities. Seriously, that's what I'm paying my membership for. I'm feeling good, guys. Oh my God. Feels so good.